Hey, what's up and welcome to the video. So in today's video we will talk about early engagement, key number 2. Now in the last video we talked about badass content, how important it is to have badass content, because to grow on Instagram you need that badass content. Because what happens is, look, when you post something and we use early engagement, and I will explain all that in a second, what happens is you put out badass content, okay, and with the early engagement that we will talk about in a second, your content will be pushed to the explore page and to the hashtags, okay? So your post will rank on hashtags. And then when people see the badass content, they see that post, they're like, wow, I have to take a look at it. They take a look at it, like it, comment on it, and then your post will get ranked up like more and more and more and more. It will go viral, and you can get up to like 5, 10, 15, 20,000 followers just with one post, right? And that's the cool thing about having badass content. And you need that badass content because what early engagement basically does is, okay, so when you post something, what happens is, or what early engagement says, or why you need it is because, look, the Instagram algorithm works like this. When you post something, okay, what happens is Instagram takes a look at your content, they take a look at everything, and they see, okay, how many people like this post, how many people interact with the post, how many people comment, save, share, and how much time do people on average spend on that post, right? And if the numbers are good, if they are better than the average user has, or if they are better than the average post, right? If people, for example, spend 20% of the time on your post on average, if the post gets, for example, 20% more likes than the average post, if your post gets like 100% more saves and shares and stuff like that, then Instagram will see, oh wow, that content is amazing, okay? And then they will push your post to the explore page, okay, and they will push it on the hashtag. So if you use the right hashtags that attract the right audience, they will probably like the posts, okay? So for example, if for this post use hashtag Dubai, hashtag food, blah 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 blah, and this post will maybe with the early engagement get pushed to the hashtags, but then people take a look at it, they see, okay, food, Dubai, view, whatever. Then they take a look at it and they see, oh no, that's not related. And then people will not take a look at the post, and Instagram will then again rank that post down, right? But if you use the right hashtags, then with the early engagement, which means lots of likes, comments, shares, lots of time spent on your account, on your post, Instagram will rank that post on the hashtags, and if you don't have the right hashtags, then people from the explore page and from the hashtags will take a look at your post and they will interact with it, maybe follow you and stuff like that, okay? So how early engagement works is, you post something, and what you want to make sure is, or your goal should be, to get as much interaction, as much likes, as much comments, as much shares and saves and all that stuff, and as much time spent on your post within the first 90 minutes of posting, okay? The earlier the better. So if you post, and if in the first 90 minutes no one likes your post and no one comments on it, and no one takes a look at it, then chances are that you will never get any followers. But if you have lots of people, lots of especially big accounts from your niche, okay, so for example, if I have 10,000 followers, and if, for example, 100 accounts that have over 100,000 followers like and comment on my post, spend time on my post, share it, then Instagram will say, wow, this is a great post, big pages seem to like it, let's post that post out to more people, let's show that post to more people, who are maybe interested in that post, okay? That's what's going to happen if you have early engagement, right? Because the Instagram algorithm will then basically notice that post is great, that it's amazing, and it will show it to more people. And that's how you then grow your Instagram account. You grow your Instagram account by, like getting people who don't already follow you to see your profile, and then by converting them into followers, right? And you do that with a combination of basically badass content and early engagement. Okay, that's what you need. You need the early engagement, and you can get that early engagement by using engagement groups. Okay, that's the first way. Okay, you can use engagement groups. For example, one group that works very good for the personal branding niche, and that works very good for the motivational quotes niche and the business niche is Executive Mafia. It has like a small fee, like I don't know, $10, $15 or something per month, and you can join that group, Executive Mafia. I will probably put a link down below this video. And with Executive Mafia, you first of all get access to like a Telegram group. And in that group, there's lots of big accounts, like over 1,000 accounts, and have like 100, 200, 300, 400,000 followers. And what happens is, each and every single time when you then post something, these accounts will like and comment on your post, and Instagram will then see, wow, that post performs very good, and Instagram will push that post out to more people, show it to more people, and you will have the chance, if you have badass content, to get lots of new followers, right? And yeah, Executive Mafia is one engagement group that you can use to get lots of early engagement. And yeah, if you don't want to spend money, there's also some ways you can, first of all, like share your post in your story. You can also reply to all the comments that you get. You can put like a call to action into your caption. You can do giveaways. You can make friends share your content, and there's like lots of ways how you can get early engagement, right? But the best one is to use an engagement group like Executive Mafia, okay? Like for me, I've been using Executive Mafia for 3 years now, or 2 years I think, or 2.5, something like that. And it's been totally amazing. That's how I grew my Instagram accounts to over 1 million followers. And I'd highly recommend you to join us, just like $10 or $15 per month. And with it, you will grow insanely fast, okay? So those are the both keys. You need badass content and you need early engagement. You need it, okay? If you don't have early engagement, then you will not grow. Trust me, okay? For about 3 years experience, or over 3.5 years experience when it comes to Instagram, and you need that badass content, you need that 10 out of 10 content, and you need that early engagement, okay? You need it to grow. If you don't have it, then you will not grow. It's that simple, okay? So those are the 2 keys to success, to massive growth on Instagram. If you follow them, then you will get insane results. Trust me. If you don't follow them, then you get no results, right? So make sure that you have badass content. Take an hour, 2, 3, 4 hours to find that badass content, to create that badass content, and then find engagement groups in your niche and think about different ways how you can get that early engagement. By maybe doing giveaways, by sharing your post in your story, by maybe building an email list and then sending out an email each and every single time to your whole email list when you post something, by using engagement groups, right? There's so many different ways, okay? So think about how you can, or think about and create that badass content, and then think about how you can get lots of early engagement, which means likes, comments, shares, saves and all that stuff within the first 90 minutes and the first 60 minutes and 30 minutes. The better, the faster, or the faster, the better. When you post something, okay? So think about that. If you have that, trust me, your Instagram account will grow insanely fast, okay? That's it for the video. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. I will put the link for Executive Mafia down below this video. Make sure to join. It's an amazing platform, and with it, like no matter where you are right now, even if you have like 7 out of 10 or 8 out of 10 content, you will grow 100%, okay? You will get new followers. You can get up to 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 plus new followers each and every single day when you follow these 2 keys, okay? So yeah, thank you so much for watching the video, and I will see you inside the next one.